You were just hired as a business operations manager. What do you do on the first day? What do you do on the first week? Well, I'm going to tell you. Number one, on your first day as a business operations manager, especially if you're at a new company, you will want to do what I call a walkabout. I would invite you to go and say hello to all the employees. Shake hands, introduce yourself, let them know who you are. Let them know if you have an open door policy. Let them know if you have ideas about getting feedback from the employees. Give them an overview of what you're going to do as business operations manager in a sentence or two. Hi, my name is Nina. I'm the business operations manager. I'll be looking for your suggestions and drop me an email if you have any. Number two, review the HR files for all the employees. Why? Number one, you want to make sure you are in compliance with your federal, state, and local laws. Number two, you want to make sure that each employee has signed off on all the HR documents that your company has. Number three, if you know of an HR document that your company should be using and they are not, this is where you can start making notes and saying the HR department is not up to date because they are not using blah, blah, blah document. Also, if there are any disciplinary actions written in the folders, you will be able to read those and see what type of employees are you dealing with and know which ones may cause you a little more difficulty. And you can also develop some sort of game plan to deal with those difficult employees. Number three, I would advise you on your first day as a business operations manager to review all written standard operations procedures. And if there aren't any, that may be a project you will want to spearhead. But if there are some, reviewing the standard operating procedures will help you understand how things are done at that company. The fourth thing you should do on your first day as a business operations manager at a new company is take your key people out to lunch one-on-one away from the company, because that is where you will get all the juicy information, everything you need to know about the company on a one-on-one where the key person can speak freely without holding back because the business owner is there. And finally, on your first day as a business operations manager, I would ask the business owner, what projects would they like to see you prioritize? The business owner may have some projects in mind, a vision as to what he or she would like to see for the company. This is where you can start documenting and building your KPIs and prioritizing. Ask the business owner what they would like you to do. And in return, after you do all of those other things I talked about earlier, you can have a meeting with the business owner and say, hey, I've done all of these things, reviewed personnel files, talked with employees, on and on and on. And I made notes as to some issues I see that are in the company. You merge that with what the business owner would like to do. You set up a plan. Business owner approves it. Already you're a rock star. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.